How's everybody doing? I'm back with another unboxing. I have another battery pack here that I picked up on Amazon. Let's take a look to see which one it is. Here's the power bank right here. It's from Rolisa. If you're looking for this on Amazon, it says the seller is Rolisa, and it's a portable power bank. Let's just open this up. Some thank you cards. And here are some specs. This is the Rolisa 121S power bank. And you can see some of the specifications here, but it basically outputs 5 volt 2 amps and it's 24,000 milliamp hours. So it's a pretty good capacity here. And it'll take about 10 to 12 hours to fully charge it. So do it overnight. It is high capacity, so that is to be expected. And here is the battery pack. This is like a fake carbon fiber-ish type plastic material. This is a smooth plastic. There's the power button right here. Here are some of the specifications again. Printed it right onto the device. Here is the input to charge through a micro USB that everybody has, like 10 of. And here are the outputs. So output 1, 2, and 3. And one of my favorite features and why I picked this one up is because it has a percentage. So I don't like the ones with 4 dots. It leaves you guessing in 25% increments, whereas this one is a precise figure that tells you exactly how much battery is left. All right, let me get one of these charging cables, new charging cables actually, that I picked up not too long ago as well. These are the TNSO or Tenzo lightning cables that I also got from Amazon. They were like a 5-pack for $10. And you can see it lit up to charge right away. Awesome. Let me check and you can see the percentage. Let me try the other one. Again. And finally again. So everything is working as expected. So this is a huge battery pack. It's about the size of an iPhone 7 Plus, as you can see. Obviously thicker, but there's some bulky batteries inside to give you the capacity that it advertises. So check it out on Amazon. Here's a closer look at the Rolisa battery power bank. This is output 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3 are the higher powered ones that provides more amperage. And this power pack is sold on Amazon for $30.99. It's got 4.5 stars and over 468 reviews currently. It works great right out of the box, but I will charge it to full capacity before using it. Thanks for watching.